Imagine waking up, stepping outside, and noticing something strange in the sky. The sun isn't just shining, it's blinking, like a giant cosmic flashlight sending us a message. Okay, that's not supposed to happen. The sun doesn't blink, it burns, it roars, it shines. But it does not wink at Earth like it knows something we don't. So what if, one morning, it actually did? Let's start with the basics. The sun is basically a huge ball of burning plasma. It doesn't have buttons, switches, or a Morse code machine hidden inside it. So if it suddenly started flashing in a clear pattern, bright, dimmery, scientists on Earth would panic, sprint to their computers, and triple-check their equipment. At first, they'd blame a glitch. Maybe a satellite glitch. Maybe clouds. Maybe someone spilled coffee on the telescope controls again. But then the signal keeps repeating across every country, every observatory, every telescope. A perfect, timed sequence, not random, not natural. Now, the big question: what could cause the sun to flash like that? One idea: a massive solar pulse. The sun does release bursts of energy, but they aren't neat, tidy, or organized like a message. Another idea: something is passing in front of the sun in a rhythmic pattern, but nothing that big should be orbiting there, unless something built it. Yeah, that's when the alien theories explode online. Imagine the internet for the next 24 hours. Hashtags like hashtag sun message and hashtag alien broadcast trend nonstop. Influencers live stream the sky. News anchors pretend not to look terrified. And everyone begins guessing the meaning behind the pattern because the flashes follow the exact rhythm of Morse code. Scientists translate it. And the message is simple, just 2 words. Stay ready. Now the world really freaks out. Ready for what? A danger? A visitor? A cosmic event? Governments hold emergency meetings. Astronomers watch the sun like hawks. People stock up on groceries even though nobody knows what they're preparing for. But then, a new theory rises, one that's a little less terrifying. What if the message didn't come from the sun, but through it, light takes 8 minutes to reach Earth? If someone broadcasts a powerful signal and aimed it through the sun, its brightness might bend and flash in a readable way. Basically, the sun becomes a giant natural amplifier. So maybe the signal came from far away, a distant civilization using the biggest light bulb in our solar system as their billboard. But here's the twist. After 24 hours, the flashing stops. The sun goes back to being just the sun. No more signals, no warnings, no explanations. Scientists spend decades trying to decode the meaning. Was it a greeting? A test? A cosmic prank? Or maybe a reminder that we're not as alone as we think. And maybe that's the real takeaway. If our sun ever sent us a message, even for one day, it would force humanity to work together, think bigger, and look at the universe with new eyes. It would remind us that space isn't empty. It's full of mysteries we haven't even begun to understand. So, would the message change our world? Absolutely. Even if we never learned who sent it,